Hi fashionista, welcome to my channel, Fashionista Liza G, and for today's vlog, I'm going to share with you how I prepare myself going to work. Okay, before going to work. So of course, first thing first, I took a shower and sometimes I dry my hair before going out, but most of the time I just go out with wet hair. Yun daw talaga yung typical Filipino. Yung naglalakad sa kalsada, mabasa ang buhok. Pinoy daw talaga. Pinoy daw yun. So, parang naniniwala ako kasi wala akong nakikitang mga katutubo na naglalakad na basa yung buhok. So, siguro nga, Pinoy nga talaga yun. Okay, so for me, it's very simple dahil hindi ako masyadong marunong mag-makeup. So, after taking a shower, syempre, I'm going to put a moisturizer on my face. Just a moisturizer, like soothing gel sometimes. Yung ginagamit ko ngayon ay Snail White na soothing gel. Okay, so, after putting the soothing gel, i-dry up ko yon. Tapos, I'm going to apply the sunblock. Okay, kasi nagkaroon ako ng problem with my skin because I don't use sunblock often. Okay, so this time, consistently, naglalagay talaga ako ng sunblock every time I go out. Ang ginagamit ko, 50, SPF 50+++. But pag dito lang ako sa bahay, when I am just at home, I just use the 20, SPF 20, SPF 30, that's enough. Kasi kahit nandito tayo sa bahay, meron din tayong yung mga ilaw, tapos pag nagluluto tayo, so yun nga yung nakakaano din ang ating face, diba? So very sensitive because I'm already 50. Okay, so after putting the sunblock, I'm going to put a powder. Ang ginagamit kong powder, yung BB Ponds lang na tig 150 lang yun sila fashionista. Okay, so hindi siya masyadong mahal. Murang-mura siya. Tapos yun ang ginagamit ko and that's fine. And tapos I just put a little blush on my face. Little ba yan? So, a lot. Okay, so naglalagay ako ng blush on sa face ko. Yung ginagamit ko yung Estee Lauder na blush on. Okay, so, of course, kilay is life. I don't know why, when I reached 48 and started to, to go with the trend na yung mga kilay-kilay. So, nagkaroon ako ng problema because I'm not good in art. So, normally, my eyebrows is always, not balanced. Okay, so, but I don't care. So, that's it. Look at that. That is how I put my kilay today. Okay, so, and then, after the kilay, I don't know how to put the eyeshadow. So, normally, you will notice my makeup na hindi ko ginagalaw ang aking eyeshadow because hindi po ako masyadong marunong. Hindi ako marunong talaga. Hindi lang masyado. Hindi talaga ako marunong. And the last part, na normally, since the COVID, started affecting everyone. Hindi ako naglalagay ng lipstick dahil what's the use of lipstick? Nakamask ka naman, diba? You're wearing mask, so mapupunta lang yung lipstick sa mask. So, but today, sometimes naglalagay ako ng lipstick kasi natatakot ako mag-expire yung aking mga lipsticks. Okay, so today, I use my lipstick, the Lancome one. So, I use this shade. Okay. Ito yung ginamit ko. Ito. At saka combination ito. So, kinumbine ko siya. Dalawa. 1, 2, 3. One combination. So, normally, naglalagay ako ng 3 combinations. Pero ngayon, 2 combinations lang ang ginamit ko. So, I really love Lancome dahil it blended well. Tapos, I don't have allergy on my lips kasi meron akong allergy. Normally kasi, ang ginagamit, yung mga kasi, yung mga lipstick na pwede lang talaga sa akin ay Estee Lauder, Lancome, tsaka Clinique. Yun ang mga pwede sa akin. Pero pag Dior, hindi ako pwede sa Dior. Tapos yung mga Avon, hindi ako pwede dun kasi yung siguro it's not good for my, it does not suits to my skin kasi parang ang tapang ng dating niya sa akin. So, meron ako mga ganyan na expire na lang, hindi ko na nagagamit dahil hindi nga pwede sa akin, 'di ba? Before, kung hindi Lancome ang gagamitin ko or hindi Estee Lauder, I need to put petroleum jelly as base before putting the lipstick on para yung protection yon para hindi ako magkaroon ng sugat-sugat sa lips. So, kahit mahal, inano na lang kasi matagal naman din ang gamit. Kahit napakamahal niya, okay lang naman kasi hindi mo naman to gagamitin in just one day. More than 5 months, something like that, or 6 months, or 1 year, hanggang sa mag-expire, diba? So, yun lang, simple lang. Tapos, I really love perfume. So, yun nga, naglalagay ako ng perfume. Pero mula nung magkaroon ng COVID, I seldom put perfume because what's the use of the perfume na nakamask naman, di ba? Kaya parang lahat, yung realizations natin during this pandemic is that material things hindi siya necessary in our life, 'di ba? In our lives hindi siya necessary kasi sa dami ng mga damit ko, hindi ko naman yun nasusuot lahat dahil hindi na ako makapag-travel. I have lots of how you call it, bags, shoes, skincare, makeup, something like that. But sadly, I cannot use that because I cannot use that all because of the pandemic that we cannot travel, we cannot go anywhere. For me, my basic activities just here at home and go to my workplace. And taxi because I don't want to take the public transportation na yung maraming tao sa loob because of the danger that you will get the virus. So I am really trying to make myself healthy and keep myself safe against the virus. Although here in Thailand we have zero local transmission for already like nearly 4 months, but of course we have to take necessary precautions like follow the health protocols, social distancing, and wearing masks and disinfecting ourselves from time to time. Okay, that's all guys for today's vlog. I hope you learned something, how I prepare myself, like very quick and very simple and easy. So stay safe, stay healthy, be natural. I love you all. Bye. Sawadika. Bye. Bye. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. I almost forgot. Okay. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.